Hey guys, how's it going? How to create a highlight on Instagram. So launch the Instagram app, tap on highlights, okay, and go to your profile, and then tap on your highlights or click add new right here, the plus button in the highlight section. Choose the stories that you want to add to the highlight, okay. You can select multiple stories and tap next in the top right corner. Let's say for example I want to select let's say that one, right, and click next right here, and then just name the highlight and select the cover image, which is optional for you. If you want to do it, just add one, and then tap add at the top or done to create the highlight. Your new highlight will now be visible on your profile. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.